Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Cars. Today, we've got something truly exciting. Ford is bringing back an icon, and we're diving deep into it. Say hello to the 2026 Ford Maverick GT, a full-fledged muscle car, reviving the legendary Maverick GT nameplate that was once a symbol of American performance. This is Ford reminding everyone that muscle cars aren't going anywhere. Before we get into all the details, make sure to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you never miss out on the latest car reviews. Now, let's get into it. Ford is bringing back the Maverick GT as a modern muscle car with aggressive styling, a powerful V8, and all the latest tech to make it a beast on the road. It's a spiritual successor to the classic Maverick GT from the 70s, built to rival the Dodge Challenger and Chevrolet Camaro. And let's be real, now that Dodge is going electric and the Camaro's future is uncertain, Ford is taking the chance to keep pure muscle alive. Let's start with the design. This new Maverick GT is an absolute stunner. It blends retro styling cues with a modern, aggressive stance. The front end has a bold, wide grille with a black honeycomb mesh, flanked by sharp LED headlights that give it an intimidating look. The hood has massive heat extractor vents, hinting at the powerhouse underneath. Moving to the side, you've got sculpted body lines, muscular fenders, and a fastback-style roofline that screams performance. The rear is just as mean, with LED taillights that take inspiration from the original Maverick GT and a quad exhaust setup that lets the V8 breathe properly. And of course, it sits on wide, staggered 20-inch alloys, wrapped in high-performance rubber. This thing looks fast even when parked. Now, let's talk about the heart of the beast. Under the hood, the 2026 Maverick GT packs a 5.0L Coyote V8, pushing out 500-plus horsepower and around 470 pound-feet of torque. Ford has fine-tuned this engine to deliver instant throttle response, and the exhaust note. Pure American muscle, deep and aggressive, the way it should be. And for the purists out there, Ford is keeping the dream alive with a 6-speed manual transmission, though there's also a 10-speed automatic option for those who prefer quick, seamless shifts. This beast launches from 0 to 60 mph in just 3.9 seconds, making it one of the quickest naturally aspirated muscle cars still on the market. Handling is another area where Ford has worked its magic. The MagneRide adaptive suspension ensures that this muscle car isn't just about straight-line speed, it can carve corners with confidence. The steering is razor-sharp, giving you excellent road feedback, and thanks to the limited slip differential, you can put all that power down efficiently without just spinning the tires. The brakes are serious too, Brembo 6-piston calipers up front and 4-piston in the rear, ensuring that when you push this machine to its limits, you can stop on a dime. Step inside, and you're greeted with a driver-focused cockpit that blends muscle car attitude with modern technology. The Recaro Sport seats, wrapped in premium leather and Alcantara, hold you in place whether you're hitting the track or just cruising down the highway. The flat-bottom steering wheel, wrapped in perforated leather, feels amazing in hand, and behind it sits a fully digital 12.3-inch gauge cluster that lets you customize performance readouts, including a classic-style tachometer mode for that nostalgic touch. In the center console, there's a 15-inch touchscreen running the latest Sync 5 infotainment system, offering wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, voice commands, and even a built-in performance telemetry system so you can track your lap times and G-forces in real time. And for those who appreciate a good soundtrack when they're not listening to the V8 roar, there's a Bang & Olufsen premium sound system pumping out crystal-clear audio. One of the coolest things about the 2026 Maverick GT is the customization options. Ford is offering a ton of paint choices, including classics like Grabber Blue, Shadow Black, and Race Red, plus some new colors like Lava Orange and Deep Space Gray. You can also go for stripe packages, carbon fiber accents, and even a rear spoiler delete for a sleeker look. The Performance Pack adds track-tuned suspension, stickier tires, and extra aerodynamic elements, making this Maverick GT an absolute monster on the road and track. Now, let's talk about how it stacks up against the competition. With Dodge focusing on electric muscle and Chevy's Camaro future uncertain, the Maverick GT might just be Ford's secret weapon. It brings raw V8 power, a manual transmission option, and retro-inspired muscle styling to a market that's shifting toward EVs. Compared to the Mustang, the Maverick GT sits in a slightly different lane. It's a bit more aggressive, a bit more old school, designed for those who want a pure, unfiltered driving experience. And compared to the Dodge Charger Daytona EV, this thing has one major advantage: it's real. No fake engine noises, no electric whine, just a proper V8, roaring under the hood. Fuel economy, let's be real, you don't buy a Maverick GT for MPG. But thanks to cylinder deactivation tech, it still manages a respectable 18 to 22 mpg, making it surprisingly efficient for a high-performance muscle car. Now, let's talk pricing. The base model of the 2026 Maverick GT is expected to start around $55,000, which is insane value for what you're getting. Fully loaded with the performance pack, carbon fiber upgrades, and premium interior, you're looking at around $70,000, but even at that price, it undercuts some European performance cars while delivering way more personality and fun. Driving this thing is an experience. The way it puts down power, the way it sounds, the way it connects you to the road, it's everything you want in a muscle car. Whether you're blasting down an open highway, throwing it into corners, or just revving at a red light for fun, this car demands attention. It's not just a machine, it's an event every time you drive it. So, is the 2026 Ford Maverick GT the last great muscle car? Maybe, maybe not, but what we do know is that it's one of the best muscle cars Ford has ever built. It's a throwback to a golden era, built with modern performance and tech, proving that muscle cars still have a place in this world. This is a car for enthusiasts, for people who love to drive, and for anyone who believes that the V8 deserves to live on. But what do you think? Would you take this over an electric performance car, or do you think Ford should have gone a different route? Let me know in the comments. That's it for today's review. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update on the hottest cars. Thanks for watching Crazy Cars, and I'll see you in the next one.